Alright, timing chain assembly is all gone. Off the motor anyways. Put everything kind of back where they go. That way I can see how to put it back in together, But that's what it looks like. Everything's in real good shape. You got these right here, these hydraulic tensioners, and they're pretty good. You gotta unscrew that, and it kind of like gives it an adjustment to how much you want it to come out or how much you want it to go in. So you back that off, then you move that up and down, and just screw that set screw back in. So both of them is like that. This is your primary tensioner, chain tensioner, which I'm getting a new one anyway. So it's all in good shape, really, man. It really is. Like I said, the only reason I'm taking apart this engine is because of the dang spark plug. But I broke off the easy out trying to get it, so I figured you gotta take off the head and get it repaired at the machine shop. So my philosophy, if you're taking off one, getting it rebuilt, why not take off the other one? Alright, so anyways, here's my other little dilemma now. Like I said, I was going to replace the oil pump. 157,000 miles on it. Murphy's Law. You put it back together and it starts going bad on you. It's just no good. So, the books, I didn't like what it said. You have to take off the oil pan, which is kind of cool. Most of the time you do anyways, but I was just hoping that this one wasn't. I was able to get the one screw out right here, and I was able to get it out. Not screw, bolt, and I was able to get it out, but the pickup tube, let's see, yeah, you can barely see it right there. That pickup tube, it would not come off. So upon reading it back on the book, it's bolted down with 3 bolts along with the windage tray. So the book says to you got to remove the front cross member. Freaking Dodge put 2 bolts in backwards, so the long bolts kind of hit the exhaust. Good news is I am taking off the heads in order to do that, so I gotta take off my manifold, then I can take off my then I can move the exhaust around and take off those 2 bolts. The other bad news, it says that I gotta move these bolts out too, the engine mounts, and that says I gotta jack it up. I don't know if I got to. I'm gonna try without doing it, because I really don't have nothing to pick this engine up now. It's all torn apart. Most of the time, us guys, we just use the crankshaft or the pulley, and we just put a piece of block of wood on the oil pan or whatever. But I think I got enough room to lower it down and slide it out. So it's a good thing about trucks. But anyways, the Haynes manual says I gotta lift up the motor, but hopefully I don't. We'll see. So that's gonna be it for me tonight. Well, I might take off one of these heads today to see what it looks like, just to have fun. There's only 10 bolts, and then you got 1, 2, and then you got one more down in there. 3. There's supposed to be 4. Don't see it. Maybe it's on the outside. Let me see if I can see it on the camera phone. I don't know. Anyhow, so as you can see down there, that's where that bolt that's kind of just hanging out off that cross member down there by the exhaust, way down there, not the manifold, the exhaust. Yeah, I can't take it out. So I gotta do some manipulation. No big deal. Good thing I'm just redoing just a lot of everything on this thing. Everything but the block, pretty much, So, but that's it. I still got my AC in place. I just had to wire it and move it out the way. Shit, it's been fine just sitting right there. Alright, so next time. Till the next time.